going to teach you one of my favorite card tricks using a double back principle. Now, those of you that don't know, this might look like a normal deck of cards, but it's actually a double back card because on one side is blue and on the other side is red. Okay, so this is what a double back card looks like. One side is blue, the other side is red. Okay, now what you're gonna do in this routine is you're gonna take the face that's matching your rest of the cards, blue, on top of the deck. Okay, so the rest of these cards are completely normal except for the top card. Okay, so you're gonna have a spectator select the card, and what you want to do first is cleanly display the cards so they can see that there is no trickery with the cards, although there is with one card in particular. So you have any card selected. Let's say the spectator selected the King of Spades. Now what you want to do is you want to take the top card, the gimmick card, the double back card, and just shuffle it to the bottom and maintain that card on the bottom. Okay, so when you spread to the cards, you want the spectator to put their card right there in the middle, the King of Spades, and you're simply going to control this card to the top. Any method you want. I personally prefer the double undercut. So what I do is I insert my pinky there, and I simply am just going to cut that card to the top. So I'll cut it like this. I'll cut a small packet to the top and then cut the remaining card to the top. What that does simply is control the King of Spades to the top of the deck. Now I'm going to tell the spectator that I want them to imagine that they turned over one card and pushed it in the middle of the deck. Now because the deck is double backed, they're going to see that all the cards in this face are blue. So you're going to square the cards up and tell them, let's see how good your imagination is, and you're going to turn the cards face up. Now don't spread the cards because they might spot that their card is on top. So what you want to do is you want to slowly start to show the cards and see, let's see how good your imagination is. And then one card will be in the middle. Of course, they think that that's their card. They don't know that's a double back card. You're going to leave that red card face up. As you're talking about how good their imagination is, you're going to get a break on the top card right here. I simply just get a thumb count and I get a break. Any method you want. You're then going to place the red card on top of the deck. And the good thing about a double back card is that even if you don't do a good double lift, you come off clean completely, because when you turn these two cards over, you're going to see that this is their selected card. You're going to take the card and you're going to drop it on the table. Now they think that this card is still red, not realizing that you turned over the double back card right here. Then you can say, well, it makes no sense to have one red card and 51 other blue cards. So what I'm going to do is just wave my hand over the packet, do any magical gesture. You want to build this part up of the routine. You snap your fingers and you show them that, look, that card goes back to being blue. And you show the card cleanly, and you can show all the cards in the back completely clean. Now obviously you can hand the deck to inspect, because they could turn the card over and see, but you end relatively clean because you show the entire deck being blue and their card being blue. And that is one of my favorite tricks to do with a double back card, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.